Alam mo bang sa halagang 500 pesos, pwede ka na magsimula na mag-invest at kumita ng dividends? In this video, pag-uusapan natin to, Pag-ibig MP2. It's one of the most underrated na investment vehicle. So, if you have 500 pesos and you're interested, just keep on watching. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Christina and I make videos about trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. And if you're not new here, you know that I'm making videos about trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. So, bakit MP2? I always love trading. Gusto ko yung thrill ng trading at saka high risk kasi yung profile ko before. But when I started having a child, parang naghanap ako ng investment vehicle, yung para sa education plan niya. But walang nag-fit dun sa risk appetite ko until I realized na, oo nga pala, merong Pag-ibig MP2 na pasok dun sa goal na meron ako, which is to put in the investment para sa future niya, whether it's for education or kung saan gagamitin. Pero mostly for her education yan. So I would still love to trade, maybe in another season, maybe next year, I don't know. Alam kong matagal na itong Pag-ibig MP2, but this is where I will start creating videos that fits my goals right now in this season. So if you're interested, keep on watching. To make this more organized, no, ito yung mga pag-uusapan natin. So, ano yung Pag-ibig MP2? And no, it's not that kind of pag-ibig. How does it work? Paano gumagana? And how to start investing? Syempre, we want to take action. And I'll show you steps. Kasi yung mga pinanood ko na videos and tutorials, iba siya nung ginawa ko na siya. So, maybe because it's not updated. Although, pinakita ko ng mga updated videos din, pero very few. So, I'm making this video kung paano ko siya in-apply this year. And before we go further, ko lang tong disclaimer na I am not a licensed economist or a finance professional. I'm just a random girl in the internet na super interested in the financial market. And I love sharing what I am learning along the way. So lahat ng i-share ko dito is educational and for awareness only and not financial advice. And remember, walang one perfect investment vehicle out there. So you have to really try to see and check kung alin yung fit sa goal mo. Kasi kahit gaano siya ka-safe tingnan, meron laging risk when you invest. So, always do your research. Una, what is Pag-ibig? At hindi siya yon. Pag-ibig Fund. Ito. It's also known as the Home Development Mutual Fund or HDMF. Makikita mo yun sa payslip mo. Siguro, yung HDMF yung nakalagay. Ewan ko, sa akin kasi HDMF yung nakalagay dati. Baka naman naka-rename na siya ngayon, no? Tapos, isa siyang government program na ginawa para sa mga Filipino workers. Dalawa yung main purpose niya. Una, dito iniipon yung fund na pwede mong palaguin. And pangalawa, para siya sa mga housing loans. Ibig sabihin, dito din kumukuha ng pondo yung mga nagpapagawa ng bahay or naglo-loan through Pag-ibig. Ngayon punta tayo sa website nila kasi meron siyang dalawang klase, no? And in this video, we're going to talk about MP2. Dito sa website nila, tingnan natin, ha? You have here the regular savings. Ito yung kung empleyado ka, nakikita mo na automatic siyang kinakaltas na sa sahod mo. And if you're paying na at least one contribution within 6 months, active member ka na. So kung employed ka, active member ka na. Nakalagay dito, this is where your monthly contributions go. Nag-earn din siya ng annual dividends and ang maturity niya is for 20 years. Ito naman yung dividend rates niya for the past 5 years. So you can see it's around 5 to 6%. Let's go to Pag-ibig MP2. Let's go to savings and then MP2 para makita natin yung difference niya, no? So, itong Pag-ibig MP2, it's a voluntary savings program for members who wish to grow their savings. So, low risk siya. It's government guaranteed. Nagtatakpan ko ba? It's government guaranteed, tax-free, with higher annual returns versus the regular savings. At ang maturity niya, so instead of 20 years, it's 5 years. Kaya swak siya dun sa goal ko. And then, you can start saving for as low as 500 pesos. So, yan yung minimum 500. If you scroll down, this is where you would see the rate of return. So, mas mataas siya ng 1-2% compared dun sa kanina, no? Nag-earn din siya ng dividends pero mas malaki. 6 to 7%. So, yan yung Pag-ibig MP2. So, if you're not employed, if you're an OFW, if you're a student, or if you're self-employed like me, you can be a member. Just apply online kasi kailangan ka munang member and you have to have at least one contribution in the past 6 months para makakuha ka ng MP2. And mamaya pakita ko sa inyo na pinakita na hindi ako eligible kasi it's been 3 years since nag-self-employed ako. Hindi naman ako nakapaghulog dito, diba? Huwag niyo ko i-judge. Okay, so it's an extra savings program. Ngayon, since backed up siya ng government, no, low risk siya na mention ko kanina compared to stocks. High risk kasi yung stocks, no? Pero it's not, I would say, 100% na risk-free. May mga possible scenarios din, and I'll give you some. Una, economic downturn, di ba? Kumbaga, kung bumaba yung kita ng Pag-ibig Fund, halimbawa, mahina yung housing loan collections, automatic bababa din yung dividends na makukuha. Pwedeng government policy changes na kung ngayon ay tax-free siya, wag naman po sana na mapansin ito at i-tax na din. Kumbaga, if there's government policy changes, magbago yung batas or adjustment sa mismong Pag-ibig program, maapektuhan din yung dividend formula or yung payout structure. Pwede din operational mismanagement, no? Although rare, kung may, kunyari, inefficiencies with the management ng Pag-ibig Fund, pwede rin yung makaapekto ng returns and inflation risk. For example, kumita ka nga ng dividends and yung rate is mas mababa kesa doon sa inflation. Kunyari, inflation's 9% and your rate is 7% lang. Technically, yung value, real value ng pera, mas mababa, tapos naka-lock-in ka pa ng 5 years. So, maliit yung chance, pero hindi ibig sabihin na guaranteed or fixed na yung kita. Kasi nakita nyo naman every year nag-iiba-iba siya, diba? Now, how does it work? Syempre, bago ka maglagay ng kahit anong pera sa kahit anong investment, dapat you are able to explain how it works. Kasi marami lang may message sa page natin na na-scam sila, but when you ask kung paano talaga gumana yung investment, like paano siya kumita, mahirap i-explain. So, ganito sa Pag-ibig MP2. Dapat malinaw sa'yo paano siya gumagana, ha? Ganito yung flow. So, maghuhulog ka ng savings. Basta ikaw yung bahala na kung magkano. Basta yung minimum nga 500. Pwedeng monthly, pwedeng quarterly, or lump sum na isa once a year. Wala yung fixed schedule, very flexible siya. Yung pera mo, i-invest ngayon siya sa Pag-ibig Fund. Mostly sa government securities, housing loans, at iba pang investments. Sila na yung bahala doon, si Pag-ibig. Ngayon, yung kinikita mo is through dividends. Hindi din siya fixed. Gaya yung pinakita natin na percent kanina, kasi depende yan sa performance ng fund or paano siya manage ng Pag-ibig. And then the maturity is after 5 years. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo nang i-withdraw siya, yung hinulog mo, yung principal, plus the dividends, pwede ka ding mag-renew or pwede ding ituloy mo siya. So, simple, diba? Maghuhulog ka, papaikutin ng Pag-ibig Fund yung pera mo, kikita ka ng dividends, and then you can withdraw after 5 years. Now, ito na yung exciting part. How to open an account. Ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga requirements. Balik tayo dun sa website. So, when you go to, nandito na nga pala tayo sa Pag-ibig MP2, click natin tong Save Now. Read nyo lang yung mga data policy. Kailangan mo ng Pag-ibig number. So, kailangan nga kasi active member ka. If you don't have one, click here. Pero when you click here, hindi siya gumagana. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, somewhere along the website, you can get the Pag-ibig number or you can go to the nearest Pag-ibig branch. Then, one valid ID, selfie. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura ng selfie. List of acceptable IDs. Siyempre, hindi din siya gumana. So, government IDs naman yan. Proof of income. Ayan, source of fund. Madami siya dito. So, you have your employment income, at least 1 month ng payslip, pwedeng savings deposit, at ito pa marami pang ibang option dito. Ang ginamit ko, si Maya. Meron kasi ako Maya account. Nag-i-email siya ng bank statement every month. So, dinownload ko yung lang yung PDF nun. Tapos yun yung in-upload ko dito. Okay. And then, ito is for former natural-born Filipino, and ito, hindi naman ito hiningi sa akin. So, when you agree, ubusan na ako ng hininga. Agree, proceed. Ayan. Ilalagay mo dito yung Pag-ibig number mo, name, last name. Tapos, ito yung lumabas sa akin. Ayan. Hindi ako eligible. Ngayon, ang nangyari, kailangan kong hulugan siya ng 1 month para makapag-apply ako ng Pag-ibig MP2. Ang problema, wala akong online account. So, kailangan ko munang mag-create ng online account at dito ko siya natagpuan yan sa login dito sa gilid na yan. Joke, hindi doon. Dito siya. Dito banda, virtual Pag-ibig, view records. Kasi alam ko naguhulog naman yung dati kong employer. So, view records ko dito, view savings records. Kasi wala naman akong loan. Ayan. And dahil wala akong account, nag-create account ako dyan. And here, dito siya. Kasi hindi naman ako FW. So, dito, nag-create ako ng account. Susundan nyo lang yan, guys. Mabilis lang siya. After nyo mag-create ng account, ayan, makaka-receive kayo ng ganyang text from Pag-ibig. And since nakalogin ako, ganito na ang nangyari ng ating application. Roll natin yung VTR. Ayan. So, balik tayo sa Pag-ibig MP2. Syempre, may mga requirements na ako dyan na ready ko na yan sila. Picturean ko na siya at nalagay sa PC. Nilagay ko na din yung number ko at eligible na tayo. So, click active lang dyan and then continue. Tapos, next tayo. Ayan, ready to open an account. Tapos, magsisend sila ng OTP. Ayan na yung OTP natin. Tapos, yan may mga basic info lang dyan na kailangan. Etong yung dividend payout na yan, wala siyang drop down. Yung iba ko napanood, may option kung magro-roll yung dividends mo tas babalik. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. And then ina-upload lang dyan yung mga info. Again, sabi ko sa inyo, i-ready nyo na. Ba't nagpuputi-puti yung buhok ko? I-ready nyo na yung mga kailangan para i-upload nyo na lang siya. Sinusundan ko lang guys kasi ni-record ko na to bago i-shoot tong video na to. So, upload nyo lang siya. Ayan. So, pagka-submit ay bibigyan ka ng ganyan. And may marireceive ka din na text from them at saka email. I think may na-receive din ako ng email. So, this is the MP2 application na text na na-receive ko sa kanila. And then, after just a few days, may na-receive na ako na approval naman. So, dahil dyan, magpa-funding na tayo. Ganito naman ako nag-fund. Magla-login ulit tayo. Kasi diba guys, online na lahat. So fun. Yan, login lang tayo and then doon na din tayo magbabayad online. Dito kailangan kong i-open to in a separate tab kasi nandiyan yung number ng Pag-ibig MP2 account ko. And then you click on that savings. So local and then magbabayad ako via Maya ulit, no? So ika-copy ko lang dito yung account number ng MP2. And ayan, for the month of August tayo magbabayad. Basic info na naman guys, na walang kamatayan dyan. And pag-click mo ng next, bibigyan ka na dyan ng payment option online. Bakit po pumuputi-puti yung ano natin siya? Ayan, click ko lang tong Maya kasi via Maya QR ako nagbayad. Tapos meron lang siyang small fee na 5 pesos. I-scan ko to through my phone and ganon. Bayad na siya agad. Nag-reflect siya after a few days. Or I think kinabukasan, nag-reflect naman siya agad. So ayan, ganyan lang yung funding. Yan, sabihin naman niya you have successfully made the payment. So yon ang Pag-ibig MP2 in a nutshell. Kung iniisip mo kung worth it ba siya, depende talaga siya sa goals mo. Safe siya compared sa stocks, pero tandaan mo walang perfect investment. Ang mahalaga, alam mo kung paano gumagana at swak yun dun sa plano at sa goal na gusto mo sa buhay. Here's our featured comment from Dre3911. Hello Miss Tina, thank you sa online guide book mo. Silent viewer mo ako, more power to you. And thank you so much for watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't yet and I will see you on the next one. God bless po!